taking out these quads right now. I'll get brain injury, I'll die. We're on that off-roading life. It's too bumpy, dude. Now we're climbing up some shit. This one's sick. How is this moderated? That's what I'm saying, bro. It's moderated. It's difficult as fuck. Like, how steep would it have to fucking be, dude? That was pretty steep. Oh, shit. This is so cool. This is what I was hoping for, Dave. I wonder if they can see how fast we're going. Yeah, I'm sure they can. I wonder if they're mad. Look at that bull. For sure. Tell me, give it up, I leave everyone in the car. All I wanna say, I'll do anything you can do. Show me how where I shoot it. So, hey, my name's Kyle, this is Mason. We're off-roaders now. Yeah, we're about to go down this really big hill.